Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. A little bit more of a special update because we're also going to be talking about the interest rate tonight, excuse me, and the effects of that on Ethereum. So first a quick overview of Ethereum today and over the last 24 hours. Volume has dropped down a little bit. It's relatively low, but that's pretty to be expected. I mean, usually the day ahead of a big fundamental event such as today, usually we're pretty quiet. That doesn't necessarily mean that that's what I'm expecting the entirety of today, but we'll talk about that. So yesterday, what I said is that we would probably stay in this consolidation a little bit between 1540, which is serving as a support level, and it has been for the last for quite some time already, for the last week and a half, something like that. And between 1600 and 1610 as a resistance, which has been serving as a strong resistance within that time as well. So we're basically stuck there. Yesterday we were fairly bullish, even though that stopped immediately in the night, as you can see. Then we started dropping down. But that was mostly because of the dollar strength index, right? I mean, Monday we were relatively bullish with Ethereum because the dollar strength index was going up. Yesterday was dropping down, so Ethereum was a little bit more bullish. We're just really sensitive to that dollar strength index right now because of these fundamentals. I mean, the interest rate decision is obviously very important for crypto. But it's mainly important because it has an effect on the dollar strength index. All right, so if the inflation or if the interest rate is going higher in general, that's good for the dollar strength index, and therefore it's bad for crypto. If it's going lower, it's vice versa, right? But yeah, for today, what I expect, and at the end we'll also talk about what I expect from the interest rate decision and its outcomes and its effects on crypto. But what I expect for today is that we'll just stay relatively quiet. I think right now we're dropping down towards that 1550, 1540 level again. I don't think we'll break through that. I think we'll be able to hold that and then slowly get back up to 1610. I think there's a small chance, just because that's also what happened last time around. I think there's a small chance that kind of just ahead of the interest rate we'll have some bullish momentum. So break above 1610 and get towards 1640, 1650. For reference, this is what happened last time around. You can see that Tuesday we were fairly bullish, but also Wednesday, really in the night, we were spiking up quite a bit, where in total we went from like 1326 up to 1353. So no, I'm not expecting huge spikes. I'm expecting the real big moves to come obviously after the interest rate decision. Which is, you can check out what time it is at myfxbook.com and just click the economic calendar up here, because obviously it differs from time zone to time zone. But the outcome for Ethereum and for crypto is going to largely depend on the decision, and especially also the press conference after. And therein lays the main thing, because the main thing that tonight is about is not the interest rate. It's probably going to 4.75. All right, that's pretty set in stone. It's about what they say afterwards. Are they going to be very strict about it? Are they going to keep increasing interest rates? And are they going to keep their monetary policy as it is right now? Or are they going to take it a little bit easier? They see that the inflation rates are dropping. Are they going to take it easy a little bit? Less increments, maybe keep it the same for a period of time. That's what we need to hear from that press conference. And then if they say the latter, so if they actually say that they're going to change their monetary policy to at least be a little bit more docile, or not docile, but be a little bit more calm with the interest rates, then we can actually get to 1760, because that's very bullish for crypto and also for us, by the way. But if they say that they're just going to continue upping the interest rates and hiking the rates, and that they're going to keep their monetary policy as it is right now, then we could still very well crash, and then we'll probably crash down to 1500, followed by a crash all the way down to 1420. So yes, there's quite a lot at stake tonight. I'll cover I'll cover it tonight. I'll also make a full video on it today, just in general what you can expect from crypto. But for now, take care, be careful, and bye.